Setting up tasks. Shortcuts Live helps you and your employees to work smarter by allocating time to specific tasks that are not services. Tasks are clearly defined in the appointment book, making it quick and easy to see what tasks you have assigned to yourself or your employees for the day. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a new task and assign a duration to a task. From Appointment Book Setup, select Task, then click Add. Enter a name and ensure the toggle is set to active. Enter a description if you wish and a duration. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to create a task and assign a duration to a task.